What's going on, everybody? So I made a little short yesterday teaser video on this cam that I just got from Richard Holdener. If you don't know, Richard Holdener's selling a couple of cams for the Gen 3, Gen 4 small block Chevy LS platform. He has two options available right now. He was selling them for $169 shipped when I purchased this one. He's referring to one as the low buck truck cam, and it has the same specs as the BTR Truck Norris cam. And he also has another one called, he's referring to it as the 219 cam. And my little short, I refer to this cam as the best wrong cam, because if you're familiar with any of Richard Holdener's videos, it's always the quote wrong cam. But if you refer back to the sloppy best cam and you compare it to this Richard Holdener 219 cam, the specs look identical. So therefore I'm coining this cam the best wrong cam. The Super Richie best wrong cam. So I thought I'd just pull it out of the box real quick, show you guys. It clearly says Super Richie on the front. That's the only indicator anywhere. There's no other markings on any of the boxes. The only way to know that you have the 219 cam is this little Marks a Lot or Sharpie on the box. This is the box that it shipped in, the packing inside. There's no other indications anywhere on this box. So let's get into this thing. All the magic of the Super Richie best cam, best worst cam. So there's also no cam card. There's nothing in here at all. It's just a cam. So you have to trust that what Richard's telling you is what you're getting here. Let's see if we can get in here and make a mess. So the specs on this cam are 219 on the intake at 50, 225 on the exhaust at 50, 595 lift, and Richard says it's on a 111 lobe separation angle. The sloppy best cam shows it's on a 110 and a half. So yeah, everything looks good. There's no markings at all on the cam, on the cam face. There is something here. It says SPS2. I don't know if you can pick that up on camera or not. Other than that, there is nothing else indicated on this cam as to the specs, or the size, or anything. So again, you just kind of have to hope and trust that you've received what you've ordered here. I mean, not to say Richard's a bad guy or anything like that. That's not what I'm trying to even indicate or put out there. I'm just saying that there's no way to verify off of the numbers that you have what you ordered. So the next thing is, this will be going in my 6-liter LQ4. I'm probably going to be putting the 706 heads on at the same time as this best worst cam, or best wrong cam. I keep referring to it as the best worst cam. It's that kind of a morning. But it's a 595 lift, as I mentioned, and I have these springs, these brand new set of valve springs from LS Acceleration I purchased for another cam, and they're dual spring up to 660 lifts, so I might have to get some different springs, because I don't think that, I think it's too much spring for this cam. But I'd like to know, let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. Run those springs and send it, or should I order some more springs? But we're going to do another shop day soon, getting this thing put in the C3, and when we do that, we'll be sure to shoot some video. The Richard Holdener best wrong cam, 219, 225. See you guys soon.